Most people do calisthenics wrong, and it's not their fault. Let me show you how to build strength and transform your body in 2025 without stepping foot in a gym. Here's the thing, most people jump into calisthenics without a plan. They see videos of people doing handstands, muscle-ups, or crazy flips, and they think, I want to do that. So they start trying those advanced moves without building a solid foundation. And when they don't see results, they get frustrated and give up. Sound familiar? The truth is, calisthenics isn't just about doing cool tricks. It's about building strength, mobility, and control from the ground up. If you skip the basics, you're setting yourself up for failure. But don't worry, that's where I come in. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start calisthenics the right way, so you can avoid the mistakes most people make and see real progress. Let's start with the basics. The foundation of calisthenics is built on 6 key movements: push-ups, pull-ups, squats, dips, rows, and core exercises like planks. These movements work every major muscle group in your body and prepare you for more advanced skills. But here's the catch. You need to do them correctly. For example, let's talk about push-ups. A lot of people do push-ups with their elbows flared out, which puts unnecessary strain on their shoulders. Instead, keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle and engage your core. This small adjustment makes a huge difference. It not only protects your joints, but also helps you build more strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Now, let's move on to pull-ups. Pull-ups are one of the most effective upper body exercises, but they're also one of the hardest. If you can't do a single pull-up yet, don't worry, you're not alone. Start with inverted rows. Find a sturdy bar or table, lie underneath it, and pull your chest up to the bar. This movement works the same muscles as a pull-up, but is much easier. As you get stronger, you can progress to full pull-ups. Next up, squats. Squats are essential for building lower body strength, but most people don't go deep enough. If you're only doing half squats, you're missing out on a lot of benefits. Aim to go as low as you can while keeping your heels on the ground and your chest up. If regular squats are too easy, try jump squats or pistol squats. These variations will challenge your balance and strength in new ways. Dips are another great exercise for building upper body strength, especially in your triceps and chest. You can do them on parallel bars or even between 2 sturdy chairs. Just make sure to keep your shoulders down and your chest up to avoid straining your shoulders. Rows are the opposite of push-ups. They work your back and biceps. If you don't have access to a bar, you can use a towel or bed sheet tied to a door handle. Pull your chest up to the handle, keeping your body straight and your core engaged. Finally, let's talk about core exercises. A strong core is essential for almost every calisthenics movement, from push-ups to handstands. Planks are a great place to start. Hold a plank position for 20 to 30 seconds, making sure to keep your body in a straight line. As you get stronger, you can try more advanced variations like side planks or plank to push-ups. Now here's the game changer: progression. You don't need to do 100 push-ups in a row to get stronger. Instead, focus on mastering one level before moving to the next. For example, if regular push-ups are too easy, try archer push-ups or pseudo-planche push-ups. These variations increase the difficulty without requiring any equipment. The same goes for pull-ups. If you can do 5 to 10 pull-ups with good form, try adding weight or doing explosive pull-ups. If pull-ups are still too hard, keep working on inverted rows and negative pull-ups, where you jump up and slowly lower yourself down. The key is to challenge yourself without sacrificing form. And trust me, once you get this right, you'll see progress faster than you ever thought possible. Another important tip: track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to record how many reps you can do for each exercise. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. For example, if you could only do 5 push-ups when you started, and now you can do 20, that's a huge win. Celebrate those small victories. They add up over time. To recap, start with the 6 foundational movements: push-ups, pull-ups, squats, dips, rows, and core exercises. Focus on proper form and progress at your own pace. Calisthenics isn't a race, it's a journey. And if you stick with it, you'll not only build a strong, lean body, but you'll also gain confidence and discipline that carries over into every area of your life. Expanding your calisthenics journey. Now that you've mastered the basics, let's dive deeper into how you can take your calisthenics practice to the next level. Here are some advanced tips techniques, and strategies to keep you motivated and progressing. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with calisthenics. Is it to do a full handstand, master the muscle up, or simply build a stronger, more resilient body? Having clear goals will keep you focused and motivated. Break your goals into smaller, achievable milestones. Incorporate isometric holds. Isometric exercises like holding a plank or a wall sit are fantastic for building strength and endurance. They also help improve your mind-muscle connection, which is crucial for mastering advanced movements. Experiment with tempo training. Tempo training involves controlling the speed of your movements. For example, take 3 seconds to lower yourself into a push-up, pause for 1 second at the bottom, and then explode back up. This technique increases time under tension, which is a key factor in building strength and muscle. Add mobility work. Mobility is often overlooked in calisthenics, but it's essential for performing advanced movements safely and effectively. Incorporate dynamic stretches and mobility drills into your warm-up and cool-down routines. Train your mind as well as your body. Calisthenics isn't just physical, it's mental too. Visualization techniques can help you master new skills. Stay patient and persistent. Progress might feel slow at times, but every small improvement is a step forward. Join a community. Training with others can be incredibly motivating. Join a local calisthenics group or an online community where you can share tips, celebrate progress, and learn from others. Fuel your body properly. Nutrition plays a huge role in your performance and recovery. Make sure you're eating enough protein to support muscle growth, and include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for energy and overall health. Rest and recover. Overtraining can lead to burnout and injuries. Make sure you're giving your body enough time to recover between workouts. Incorporate active recovery days where you do light stretching, yoga, or low-intensity cardio. Experiment with advanced variations. Once you've mastered the basics, challenge yourself with advanced variations of the 6 foundational movements. For example, try one-arm push-ups, weighted pull-ups, or pistol squats. Stay consistent. Consistency is the key to success in calisthenics. Even if you can only train for 15 minutes a day, make it count. Small, consistent efforts add up over time. The mental and emotional benefits of calisthenics. Calisthenics isn't just about building a strong body, it's also about developing a strong mind. Here are some of the mental and emotional benefits you can expect. Increase confidence. As you master new skills and see your body transform, your confidence will soar. Improve discipline. Calisthenics requires dedication and consistency, which will spill over into other areas of your life. Stress relief. The focus required to perform movements correctly can help you clear your mind and feel more centered. A sense of community. Training with others can help you build meaningful relationships and feel part of a supportive group. Remember, progress takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Keep showing up, keep pushing yourself, and you'll get there. And if you ever feel stuck, just come back to this guide and review the basics. You've got this. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Together, we can build a stronger, healthier, and more confident community. I'll see you in the next one.